In the rich mosaic of human archetypes, the helper, carer, and nurturer stand as the embodiment of compassion, their every action a whisper of kindness in a world that often echoes with the clamor of indifference. Compelled by an innate need to serve, they tread the path of harmony. Their lives an expression of activated selflessness. In their presence, one finds not just care, but a sanctuary of kindness and mercy. They do not merely exist, they illuminate, transforming spaces with the light of their benevolence. Professionally, carers manifest as the gentle nurse whose touch reassures, the aged care worker whose companionship brightens days, and the animal carer whose kindness crosses species. They are the unsung heroes in our midst, embodying mercy and service in every gesture. Socially, the helper emerges in the selfless volunteer, the dedicated charity worker, and the ever-present community assistant. Their actions, fueled by a deep sense of charity and service, create ripples of kindness that cascade into waves of change, uplifting the downtrodden and giving voice to the voiceless. In the realm of the spirit, nurturers facilitate healing beyond the physical. Physiotherapists reawaken the strength dormant within, while nannies cultivate the seeds of potential in our youngest, their nurturing hands shaping tomorrow's hearts and minds. Yet, this path of compassion is not without its thorns. The under-evolved may find their well of selflessness dry, having poured out their essence without reserve. In their overzealousness to mend the world, they may lose themselves, their altruism turning into an anchor. The over-utilized state of this trait can nurture to the extent where it robs the natural strains needed for growth and evolution in self and others. This state can bring about a tendency to rescue and save others when they are experiencing necessary growth. In their thriving state, the helper, carer, and nurturer become conduits of pure service. Their compassion, a beacon guiding society to a harbor of empathy and mutual support. Their impact is profound, transforming lives not by taking on the burdens of others, but by empowering them to rise. They remind us that true service lies not in the grandeur of the gesture, but in the depth of the connection it fosters. In their hands, caring, charity, and helpfulness become more than virtues. They become the pillars upon which communities stand stronger, kinder, and more united. In the grand narrative of humanity, the helper, carer, and nurturer are the unsung heroes. Their compassion, the melody that harmonizes the symphony of human existence. They inspire us to look beyond ourselves, to serve, to care, and to nurture, weaving a legacy of compassion that echoes through the ages.